Welcome to Coffee with Bridget, and today I am drinking Stella's chocolate covered cherry coffee, and it is actually really good. I like the cherry coffees. They're one of my favorites. I don't know why I like berry flavored coffee, but I do. Blueberry is really, really good. So today I am doing another tasting video. This one comes highly recommended by two of my friends. First recommended to me by my friend Raven, and then recommended to me by my friend Lacey. So this is ballback and spicy ramen, and I guess they have it in the UK as well. But we're going to be trying this today. And so it says, has the little instructions right here. It says partially open the lid and remove the 2 packets. Pour boiling water up to the inner line. Close the lid and let stand for 4 minutes. Remain 6 tablespoons of water and drain the rest. Add the sauce and cheese powder. Stir well and serve. Oh, so cheese powder. Caution, product will be hot. Oh, it has a little space here. It says, be careful of hot water. Choose chopsticks to poke holes to drain the water. I'm not going to be using chopsticks, but we'll use a fork to do that. So let's see. We'll partially open this. I think it has a little guide to how far you're supposed to open it. Yes, it does. It has little guides, little arrows to where you're supposed to open it. Here's the bulldog sauce. It looks like a spicy wet sauce. And this must be the cheese packet. So I'm going to go get the hot water and let this set for 4 minutes, and I will be right back. Well, it's been 4 minutes, so I've opened this up, poured the water out, so I think it's the right consistency. I don't know how I'm supposed to know it's only 6 tablespoons in there, but I kind of estimated. I guess that's what you do. So let's add the sauce packet, if I can open it. Okay, open the sauce packet at first. Oh, it's pretty. Looks like a chili sauce. So there's the chili sauce packet. Got some on my finger. It tastes yummy. And spicy. Definitely spicy. Okay, and then we're going to add the artificial spicy chicken flavor ramen packet. And I'm going to stir this up. That's how it is at first. I think I have too much water in here, to be honest. Couldn't really tell with the top on how much water was in here. Oh, it smells yummy. I am so hungry. Obviously, that's why I'm doing this, is because I'm hungry. But since this was recommended by both Lacey and Raven, it's like, okay, I will try it finally. I was craving spicy ramen like crazy when I was sick. But then I got over the sinus issue that I was having. I have a little bit of a cough still, as you could tell. But for the most part, I feel better. Alright, so it's all stirred up pretty good. So I'm going to take a bite and see what I think. It's hot, as in, like, temperature hot. It's good. It is definitely spicy. It is spicy. So if I want a spicy one, I definitely need to get this. I wish I had a little bit of water, to be honest. I'm gonna have a little coffee. It's gonna be a little bit of a clash, but it's good. Whew. It's spicy, and I say that I don't say that lightly because it takes a lot to hit my spice thing. I don't know if it's because I had some of the sauce and decided to lick it off my finger, or if it's because it's spicy in here, but when it comes to spicy, this wins out of all the ones I've tried so far. So no wonder everybody recommended it. And see, it's Ballback by Sam Yang, and it's carbonara Ballback. It is good. I will be getting this again. It's actually making my nose run a little bit. That's how you know it's good. Oh my goodness. But yeah, it's good top ramen. So I do recommend Ballback ramen. Specifically, I got spicy ramen. So that is the end of this video. It went a little longer than I expected, 6 minutes and something, but that was really good. I recommend it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care and bye for now.